Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2012 Holden Commodore, stopped on the 6643. This ran from the 9th 2010 to the 12th 2017. It has an L77 4-litre V8 petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L77 4-litre V8 petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, factory sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,